I haven't tried it.
I hope it goes back up. You know what? Oh. It's actually, obviously now that I just did that, it goes a lot smoother.
Doesn't make a good sound though.
No, it doesn't. Might want to like WD-40 the tracks or some shit.
Jeez, that hurt. Alright, what's going on YouTube? Rich from Random Motorsports, and
Hi, I'm John.
this is John. The truck's finally here. I finally made a deal on the truck. It's mine now. It's in my driveway. My hose is leaking on the ground pretty substantially. We're gonna just get this thing cleaned up. It's got a pretty good layer of filth. Kind of, well, everywhere. And rust and just general filth everywhere. Haven't finished cleaning out the bed, but made some progress on it. But I just want to see how at least the front of the truck will clean up. I think it's a little beyond just water.
It's almost like a giant toothbrush.
Alright. So in here I got a little bit of car wash, a little bit of purple powder. Don't normally recommend purple powder and paint combined, but this thing needs it.
Yeah. I'm like in the ballpark of wondering why I'm washing your car.
Cool. That's less Mercedes.
Let me know when you want to power wash it.
Can you just rinse off the Mercedes? I just sprayed the shit out of it.
I suppose that might be something I can.
In the ballpark of wondering why you're washing it. I remember a day, John, cold, wet day, where I slaved over the avalanche.
But you decided to do it. I was like, Rich, it's cold. We don't have to do this, man. And you were like, oh, I don't care. I'm doing it.
I know. I did it to myself.
Obviously, I don't expect you to use all of these. Just edit them in how you please.
power wash done for now. Got a better idea of the condition of the paint. Obviously, doesn't really matter because, yeah. But someone did put some money into this thing. Got a pretty nice, it's got pearl white and a pearl green up top. But I think that's going to be about it for today. I do have to finish cleaning out the bed because I don't even know what any of that is. I think that's going to be it because we're running out of daylight. So we will catch you on the next.